Team Backpack, what it do? It's your man, PS, prophetically speaking, straight out of that Yaktown, Pontiac, Michigan, Detroit City raised. Here's my audition. Hope you love it. Life. PS, prophetically speaking, that is. Look. Let me zone out. Look. Cause my trials and tribulation was always handed. My grandma always told me to rely on my 10 commandment, but I couldn't, man, cause it was just that tough. Cause the hood I came from, it was just that rough. I tried to do good, it was never enough. Cause somehow they say I'ma end up deader in cuffs. But just to try to understand what it takes to be a man, wishing abortion was my mama's plan. But then again, I can barely pretend. The ones that said they love me, they barely my friends. Man, well, these dudes in the street trying to put on my flame. I paint pictures with words, but these dudes messing up the frame. Cause my trials and tribulation is what I'm always facing. Feeling me, but God, man, time is wasting. Live by the sword, maybe die by the sword. Put my gun to the chin, share my thoughts with the Lord. Cause life is hard for real, when does the pain stop? When I cried outside, it's like frozen raindrops. I wish I can lay face down straight in the dirt, plant my nose in the ground and inhale the earth. I wish this world could see this part of me. Blood flowing through my veins and my arteries. Sometimes I try to walk, but I fall to my knees. Lord, please, tell me, what can I do? When can I find love that's rightfully true? Because my heart's so black till it's eventually blue. Why don't you fix my life, Lord, till I'm eventually new? Till I'm eventually new.
TeamBackpack.net.
Detroit City, Yaktown, stand up. PS, prophetically speaking. That's it.